Hello, my dear friend circles, my customers, my clients, customers, friend circles. I have come back again with some tips, very important tips. Maximum of the customer agents are selling policies, but I'm not blaming to anybody else. I'm just telling you the facts. They are not giving premium waiver benefit, rider benefit, critical illness benefit, just they are taking policies. So I have come with this critical illness rider, term rider, premium waiver rider. So my video may be somewhat lengthy, but if you go through this video, you will be the beneficial person. No one can cheat you. No agent can cheat you. Once again, I am telling you. Anyway, my name is Shopon Kumar Das. I am from Manipur. I am LIC advisor. Okay, let me start. First of all, I want to give you welcome. Thanks. Many thanks. Number one is from now onwards, you need not require to go anywhere else. Suppose you have taken one policy in Manipur and your survival benefit means money back or maturity claim, everything can be settled at any place in India, at any branch. For this process, the particular branch will tell you what to do. This is a very good news. I have got many customers, those who have left Manipur and they are withdrawing money, maturity, survival benefit, everything from outside of Manipur. Anyway, secondly, I am telling you one very good suggestions to you. This is a suggestion. While taking a policy, you just take one traditional, means conventional policy, simple policy. According to your age, according to your budget, and according to your term. Term means premium paying term. And if possible, I'm sorry, not possible, that is compulsory. You include rider, there are so many riders, critical illness rider, premium waiver rider, premium waiver benefit means stop payment. So before starting critical illness rider in LIC, let me tell you something. LIC's new critical illness benefit rider is a non-linked. This is not linked with market. Okay? Rider, which will reduce the financial burden in case of life assured is diagnosed as suffering from any pre-specified official illness. In this case, critical illness, the minimum age is entry is 18 years for taking critical illness rider. He or she must be 18 years and maximum is 65 years. Up to 65 years you can take opt critical illness rider. Minimum sum assured is only 1 lakh and no limitation is there. According to your budget, you can take as per your budget. And regarding regular premium, term will be 5 to 35 years. Regular premium. Regular premium means quarterly, half yearly, yearly, March, monthly. That is 5 to 35 years. Limited premium term will be 10 to 15 years. Please remember, limited premium is 10 to 15 years. Maximum coverage is 75 years. In the critical illness rider, no surrender value is there. Please remember, this is optional. This is optional on your base policy. Base policy means suppose you have taken Jeevan Anand, that is base policy. And if you want to take some riders, critical illness rider or premium over benefit, you have to pay somewhat extra money. Acha. No survival benefit, surrender value is there. No paid up value will be paid. Revival same as base plan. Suppose you have taken one policy which is lapsed, the process will be the same. Almost 38 critical illness is covered by LIC. 38 critical illness. Anyway, okay, I'm coming in my next video. For this time, I thanks to you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon so that let me come with some critical things which are unknown by the customers, which are not explained by the agents. Thank you very much. Please help me.